Super Easy Drawings. Hello kids! Welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are gonna draw and color Pocoyó playing a drum. Let's get started. I start with Pocoyó's eyes. Then I draw his nose and his smiling mouth. I draw his head. He is wearing a hat. Let's draw the straps of the drum here. Then the drum itself. I draw some lines here because I want to color it with the colors of the rainbow. Now I draw his hand. In which he is holding a drumstick. Now I draw his other arm, in which he is holding the other drumstick. I finish the drawing part with his legs. He is sitting on the ground. Now I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I am going to color Pocoyó's skin with this cream marker. Then I use light red for his mouth. I color the drum with the colors of the rainbow. I start with red, orange, then yellow, light green, dark green, light blue, dark blue, and finally purple. For the top of it, I use pink. I color the drumsticks purple. For the straps of the drum, I use brown. His outfit is blue, so I am going to color his hat with this blue marker. Yellow, if you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.